Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on Solana ID Airdrop. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat, built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. Boarding has started on Solana ID Alpha version. With you holding the solid pass, you'll be able to get onboarded. OG solid pass holders who make it to boarding group 1, which is within the range of 1 to 500, will receive a solid airdrop. If you have a number higher than 500, you can make it to the boarding group 1 by performing some tasks. So how do you get your solid pass? The link to get your solid pass will be in the description box below. Now let's get started. Once you copy the link, just paste it, the link, and head to the link. So all you need to do is connect your Solana wallet. We'll be using Phantom wallet. So select wallet, we'll be using Phantom, click on Phantom. I already have an extension on my browser, a Phantom extension on my browser. So just enter your password. After inputting your password, just click on next. Connect. So you are number 101 on the list and your solid score is 463. So to move up the list, you can invite your friends by using your referral link. Anyone who gets their pass via your referral link and at least links their X account, verify their email, or links their fitting account will boost your position in the lane. So be the first to get on the lane. Invite your friends, link your X account, link your email, or link your fitting account to move up even further and get a guaranteed airdrop. So that's all about the Solana ID airdrop. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section and the team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more opportunities like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.